Welcome back to Crazy Gamer Games and Model Making. We're taking another look at our JagdPanther. We're getting close to the end here. As you can see, I have some more of the back section here glued up. Got the engine in, so I'll have to do some fitting with that. Of course, there's another part to glue up here in the front that should have been painted with the rest. But that's it on that section. And then I have put in the periscopes up here. I don't know why I painted the whole thing red-brown. I just had extra paint in the airbrush. But I did paint the top of this like I wanted to put the photo etch on top, so we put the photo etch on next. And then I painted the underside of it with the red-brown for the interior. What's nice here, this little periscope thing to see for the driver moves. And also we have the tracks. The tracks have been assembled. Nightmare, yes, that was a nightmare. So a lot of the guide horns have broken off, so I'm not really worried about it. Still need to paint the back of the tank. And we have some bits and pieces. We have the radio here. Let's see if we... There's the radio. This went together with a lot of gaps, so I had to use some Mr. Surfacer on it. So this still needs to be sanded out. And that'll get painted the German gray. And it inserts in here like so. So that'll go in there for the radio operator. I went ahead and did the dry brush on the other radiator. So that's ready to drop in this way. This one's gonna be a tight fit. Some clearance issues. So basically there goes that. We'll put some rusting on those. And we got the dry brush, and we'll do some more weathering. As you can see, oh, and then this was the real armor thickness put on the inside of this plate. And as you can see, it goes down pretty good. I mean, it has to be clicked in. I don't want to click it in right now, it'll scratch up the paint. I will have to scratch the paint off of the sides here in order to put on the brackets for the different tools and tow hooks. I was going to paint them a different color, but I want the actual brackets the color of the hull. What else do we have? Oh, working on this turret seat piece here. This will mount back here. Right in the back there. Little seat for people to sit on, I suppose. And we are working on the fenders currently. Just cleaning up the parts here. Coming here with my Tamiya 123s. Trim off a little bit of the nib. Cut it close. Trim off a little bit. And then we have a little bit left. We can either come in with our fine grit diamond file. Clean that up like that. And we have just a little bit in the back here. And that is one of those pieces. This is going to be a short update. There's not a whole lot of progress. I've been getting ready for the JagdTiger, the Trumpeter's 1/16 JagdTiger. So, you can like this video if you like the update. But if you want to see the full build of the JagdTiger, the 1/16, you should subscribe. And, participating in the build, there's going to be a giveaway. So those who participate by sharing, sharing the videos, leaving comments below, interacting with everyone. There'll be a giveaway, 2 giveaways, one at the end and one towards the middle of the build. I also started a Patreon page. The link will be in the description below. It's there if you want to help. If not, that's fine. I'll still be producing content. There will be special content available to Patreon donators when that time comes, but currently there's nothing going on with that right now. That's going to be it for this update for Crazy Gamer Games and Models. I'm the Crazy Gamer. Have a great day.